The internet has become an essential part of our daily lives, and as we use more devices every day, the need for a strong and stable connection continues to grow. While every home and family has different needs, the most important thing is having seamless internet connectivity in every corner of the house. With high-speed and reliable internet, it's possible to easily handle work tasks and enjoy exciting online experiences. For this reason, modern Wi-Fi systems that provide wide coverage and speed are crucial solutions that meet the needs of every home. With features designed for both wireless connectivity and smart home device management, these systems offer a perfect experience throughout the home. Let's take a closer look at the features of these products. Number 5. TP-Link Deco BE25. The TP-Link Deco BE25 is an advanced Wi-Fi 7 system that delivers high-speed and reliable internet connectivity to every corner of your home. With its built-in 4 high-performance antennas, the Deco BE25 offers extensive coverage and ensures seamless connectivity throughout your home with the help of TP-Link mesh technology. Equipped with Home Shield security features, this device protects your home network by blocking harmful websites and preventing DDoS attacks. Additionally, with parental control functions, you can manage your children's online activities effortlessly. If you are looking for a high-speed Wi-Fi system, the TP-Link Deco BE25 is a must-check option. Number 4. ASUS Zen Wi-Fi BQ16. The ASUS Zen Wi-Fi BQ16 is a powerful device that delivers fast internet connectivity. With its wide coverage, stable connection, and superior performance, it is highly suitable for large homes and families with multiple devices. Featuring a quad-band Wi-Fi 7 system, the speed of this device is truly incredible. You can play games, watch 4K movies, and download large files without any lag. Imagine enjoying fast and seamless internet usage all at once. One of its other advantages is its strong security. The Zen Wi-Fi BQ16 is equipped with advanced security systems to protect your home from cyber threats. Just imagine living in a large house where every room has the same strong Wi-Fi connection. Is it worth buying? Share your thoughts below. Number 3. Amazon Eero Max 7. Your home's internet should always be stable and fast, right? Sometimes weak Wi-Fi in large homes can be frustrating. Here's the good news. The Amazon Eero Max 7 is here to solve this problem. The Eero Max 7 is the first Eero model to use Wi-Fi 7 technology, offering the fastest and most powerful connection yet. With two 10 gigabit Ethernet ports, the connection speeds are amazing. It's perfect for gaming, streaming high-quality videos, and connecting multiple devices at the same time. Not only does it provide coverage up to 2,500 square feet in every corner of your home, but it also allows you to connect over 200 devices simultaneously. Share your thoughts on the Amazon Eero Max 7 with us. Number 2. TP-Link Deco BE63. The TP-Link Deco BE63 is an advanced mesh network system that supports Wi-Fi 7 technology. This system will provide high-speed and reliable internet connectivity in every corner of your home. With its tri-band design, it reaches speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, making it perfect for 4K video streaming, online gaming, and the simultaneous use of multiple devices. This system allows you to connect over 200 devices simultaneously, making it an ideal choice for large homes and families with many devices. It will ensure high-speed internet connectivity in every corner of your home, while also making your online activities smoother and hassle-free. The Deco BE63 helps protect your network from cyber threats with TP-Link's Home Shield security features. Additionally, it is compatible with Google Home and Amazon Alexa, allowing you to easily control your smart home devices. Overall, the TP-Link Deco BE63 will elevate your home internet experience with high-speed, extensive coverage, and robust security features. Number 1. Netgear Orbi RBE773. Sometimes internet connectivity can affect all activities in your home, right? The Netgear Orbi RBE773 is a perfect product that provides a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection in every corner of your home. With its tri-band design, you get seamless internet connectivity throughout your home, covering up to 8,000 square feet. It easily connects all your devices, supporting over 100 devices simultaneously. This system ensures high-speed internet, 4K video streaming, your gaming, and smooth operation of multiple devices. The Orbi RBE773 is equipped with robust security features and integrated with TP-Link Armor, making it easy to control your smart home devices. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. You can support me by liking, subscribing, and sharing. See you next time.